Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet another video. And yes, it is that time again. You guys see the big stacks of stuff in the back. It's time to unbox a ton of dope-ish. I got some of the boxes down here, some of the boxes up here. It's a lot of stuff to get into today. I just want to remind you guys, July 4th, sampleind.com. July 4th sale is going on, 60% off site-wide, of course, excluding the newest collection, which is the Sans collection. So 60% off, goes live at midnight. I want to let y'all know a little bit early, so if you want to pick up anything, if you're waiting to grab something, blam, you can be there and grab it. Now, as far as what we're getting into today, we got a special package from Adidas, a special package from Footlocker as well. My Kid Cudi and Cactus playing flea market stuff finally came in. Got some stuff from Pleasures and the homies over at Privé, as well as some fan mail. So we have a lot of stuff, and I just wanted to run through some of the stuff that we had grabbed pre-vacay vlog, just in case any of you guys missed it. We're gonna just cover that first, get into that stuff in the beginning so we can get it out of the way and get to everything new. And we got a Supreme pickup that is there, which isn't really even for me. It's more so for Anna because she drinks coffee, but we'll get into that pickup. I usually would pick up the boxes, but I've already done it for like 4 minutes straight trying to get the thumbnail, so y'all see the boxes in the back. Hold on. So yeah, all that you guys see right there, that is what we are getting into today. And I did make sure to go ahead and let me back this bad boy off real quick. I will make sure to include any links down below to where I got some of the stuff at, if it is still available. If it's unavailable or you just can't get it sold out, I just won't link it. That way you know that you can no longer get it. Anyways, man, let's get into those pre-vacay pickups. Alright, so as far as pre-vacay pickups go, I did grab these purple all over Moto Cab Sui Cokes. I also grabbed this orange box, which is the Spruce Fear of God 1. We'll get into that in a little bit, as well as a couple t-shirts that I picked up at Round 2 and Rotate while we were on our way up to Baltimore. Now, these Sui Cokes, I haven't talked about these on video yet. I actually bought them right before the cruise. I actually got them right before we left for a cruise. I had to order mine online. Since then, some of my local spots have gotten them, but this is just a Moto Cab. I say go true to size. I do think they are a bit overpriced. They are a cool looking pair of slides or sandals or whatever you want to call them, but I do think they are a bit overpriced. If you can get them on sale, I would say do that, but go true to size. This is the Moto Cab in all over purple, and that is just for everyone who's been asking about these ever since I posted them up on IG. They are Sui Cokes. I think it's called the Moto Cab, and this is just a purple colorway. They're restocking at different boutiques and stuff. Blam, there you go. Now, this first pickup right here, this one was from Rotate. This one right here, old school Harley Davidson tee. You got the Panther on the front, all over purple with like this blue metallic feel on the front. It does have that peppered wash feel to it, and then on the back, this one is actually from Kuwait, which is why I really wanted it. This one is coming in from across the globe. I just love the front. It was purple, kind of went with the Sui Cokes if I wanted to wear this on the cruise, so I went ahead and picked that one up really quick. I also got this one as well. Both of these were from Rotate RVA, and as you guys can see, this one is a vintage Nutmeg Muhammad Ali tee. You got the nutmeg patch on the bottom, and then on the back you got basically like a stat sheet, this card in the back. This tee in my opinion was super fire. I did not want to leave it in the store, so I went ahead, grabbed it, and those were my two vintage pickups from Rotate. And then I did pick up some stuff from Round 2 RVA, Richmond VA to be exact, and this was the starter tee. It's just an NBC Sports NBA on NBC tee. I really like the wash, and this reminds me of a Pittsburgh Penguins vintage tee that I have already, where it kind of has the lights in the back with the shadow coming down. And I just thought the colors were really good on this one, so I went ahead and picked this up. And of course, last but not least, we have the orange box. And like I was saying, man, if you guys caught the vlog, you would have seen all this already. Make sure you finesse the bell so you don't miss videos. But yes, I was able to pick up the Spruce Green Air Fear of God 1. Now, will I be doing a review on this shoe? I'm gonna keep 100 with y'all, probably not. I like it, but at this point I think it's like pointless to do a review on this shoe that came out so long ago. But yes, the Spruce Greens, if I'm really feeling good one day when I wake up and really feel like I want to drop a review on these, then yeah, but as of right now, it probably won't be any review. But yes, I did manage to grab the Spruce Green Air Fear of God 1. So as far as pre-vacay pickups go, that's it. Let's get to the new stuff.
iPhone 65, baby, I'm blue. Had a dream and I woke up in my zone, and I was happy like for once I wasn't doomed. Then I came to and knew it wasn't true. Don't look at me, you know I do not fuck with you. Keep that tulip in my fruit for the loop. A little up, back, give me room. In this rat race, I would rather lose.
Now first up, let's go ahead and get this Supreme pickup out of the way, because like I said, it really was never for me, it was for Anna. I just got it for her. I thought she could use it, and I was just trying to hype beast her life up just a little bit. Now this is the Supreme Mocha Express. It's basically just a coffee maker. She has one of these already, but it's just basically all over silver. It's not hype beasted up with the Supreme on it, and she basically told me she's just gonna use the one she has now and just keep this one pristine. I don't know, she's not a Supreme collector. She probably could care less about the Supreme one, but she did actually like this, and she did actually want this, which was surprising to me that she was paying attention to Supreme drops. Anyways, yes, this was for her. I'll take it out of the box. I'm never gonna use it, but she definitely will actually use it for what it's there for. Supreme, blam, Supreme slapping its name on everything. But I always told y'all I like that about Supreme, that they will brand anything and everything. But yeah, until she uses it, it's gonna be staying right here in the box. Let's get to the next one. Now up next, I checked the PO box and I had a couple pieces of fan mail in there. And first off, I just want to say shouts out to Seth. His IG is Seth_sneakerhead. He actually sent me some stuff that he had thrifted, but he also sent me a very long note that I did read through. I'm not gonna put everything up here on the screen for y'all, but he's been a subscriber since 2012. He was unfortunately diagnosed with a type of cancer. Once again, I don't need to put exactly what it is, but he told me in this letter. And he's also been through countless surgeries on surgeries, a lot of different stuff going on in his life. So man, hey, if you watch this video, Seth, man, prayers to you and your family. Appreciate you thinking of me to send something to me when you got your own things that you're dealing with. And like I said, he did send me two things right here from the thrift. Now this first one is a NASCAR tee, and this one right here is from 2007 Lowe's Motor Speedway. You guys can see the year on the bottom, and then the front, blam, you see that it's all over red, white, and blue. Something very simple, very easy to wear for me. And then he also sent me over the Forest Bias, the Fubu joint, old school 2XL, very wide crew neck, but I feel like Anna's probably just gonna take this and sleep in it. So bro, I really do appreciate it. Fubu 05 as well as this NASCAR pickup. So like I said, man, hey, major prayers to you, man. And if y'all want to send some prayers his way as well, his IG is Seth_sneakerhead. So once again, Seth, thank you for the pickups, and it always means a lot, and this stuff means more to me now because it also has a story, and I'll have a letter to keep. So let's go ahead and get into the next one.
I'm hot like a stove. My jewelry so cold, she play with her nose. Look at my clothes. Look at my bitch, she got the white toes. She wanna live lavish. I took her to Paris, but I can't do marriage.
Alright, so next up I got 4 new pickups from the homies over at Privé. This is all brand new pleasure stuff. Let me toss a stack in the back and we'll get into everything one by one. Now first up right here we have the Leo tee. It is all over black. Fits true to size, and as you guys can see on the front, it's black, orange, blue, and green. You got the little bit of a pleasures hits on the bottom, and it's not the craziest tee ever, but it does kind of give me that vintage vibe just because of the attire that the women are wearing in the back, even the crazy looking hats as well. Kind of reminds me of vintage design. So this is once again the Leo tee, all over black, orange, some good colors. And now let's get into one of my favorite things from Pleasures that they sent over, 2 new pairs of jeans. So these 2 pairs of jeans I have right here are called the Typhoon Denim. Now it is a slim straight fit. You know, they're not gonna be on you crazy like that, but they're also not gonna be some Jinko jeans. It's a slim straight fit on them, and they're all over blue as well as a black pair. Now this is a very lightweight pair of denim. They do have some stretch to them as well. Now the pair I have on B-roll is this light blue wash pair with the Pleasures printed all throughout the jeans, and then the footwear I have on is the Acronym and Air Force One collab. I just thought jeans with the wider bottoms, if you're not, you know, wearing them above the ankle, high water type, crop type, I think what really complements jeans like this is a bulkier sneaker. Now of course Air Force Ones aren't the bulkiest sneaker out there, but the Acronym pair with that extra zipper and stuff gives it a little bit more body on the shoe, and I thought they just looked really dope with this pair of jeans right here. So once again, this is the Typhoon Denim. Now I would say just go true to size. I usually wear a 36. I got a 36 and they fit me fine, just a little bit tight in the thighs, but that's usual for me. I've been trying to try out some more looser jean options, and I think these are right up my alley. They ain't super loose, but at the same time they're not like my skinny stack denim or nothing like that. It's just something different for me to have in the arsenal. So Pleasures Typhoon Denim, blam, you see it. Now the last thing that the homie sent over was this Bob Dylan tee, and I didn't put this one on just because I don't know about Bob Dylan at all. And while it is still a pretty dope button down, you still got Bob Dylan's face on the back, Pleasures on the front. If you were a fan, yes, this is an official collab between Pleasures and Sony Music Entertainment for Bob Dylan. So blam, they do have this button down as well. Just my favorite word, the Typhoon Denim and the Leo T. I don't know about Bob Dylan, bro. He ain't on my iPhone playlist or nothing like that. But listen, man, that was everything from Privé and Pleasures. Once again, links will be down below if you want to check anything out.
My money mission, I'm on a money mission. Hey, my coats is missing. You want my coats, you dissing lame. I know the game, I'll put you all the game, okay. I know the game, I'll put you all the game, okay. Hey, money mission, I'm on a money mission. Hey.
Now this right here was another quick piece of fan mail. Now no letter or no note came with this unless you did send it. I didn't get it. I didn't see in the package, but it says Aug Services. Now, the guy who sent this, his name was August, so I'm assuming that it stands for August Services. And this tee is all over black. You have the printed tag on the inside. Now, the back says, an artist without literature and philosophy is a child without care and affection. I'm not sure whose quote that is, but blam, this is from him once again, and this was in the fan mail. So, hey, bro, next time, make sure to include a note or something to give me a little bit of a description of what's going on here. Other than that, I mean, it's just a tee, 3M and black tee. I don't know what's going on.
I tap dance on the cloud like I'm Savion Glover. In tune with my roots like the reading rainbow nigga. I'm here to give the kids new literature. I am the cure to the whack juice overflow. Getting a new beat, recycle they old flow.
Now for these next 3 pickups, I went ahead and threw some Cuddy in the back. Very legendary back there. And these are from the Cactus Plant Flea Market and Kid Cudi collab. Now, the collab merch, I did not get the yellow Swim in the Light hoodie. So if anyone has the yellow Swim in the Light hoodie and ain't trying to crack my skull wide open and you got it in size XL, hey, hit me on the email, let me know. And the reason I didn't capitalize on the first merch drop is because I was being an idiot and forgot to actually go through and pay for everything. It was sitting in my cart. I waited too long and missed it. But as you guys can see, we have a hoodie, we have a crew neck, as well as the Cudi Saves tee. So this stuff is heavy. It is very, very heavy. If you copped any of the Cactus Plant Flea Market stuff that is hoodies or crew necks and it's that heavy, heavy fleece, you're gonna be getting that same fit and feel on these hoodies, that oversized fit. And I believe the tee is somewhat oversized as well. Now, if we get into this one, is that all over gray color, that gray pigment dye feel. And per usual, they do use that puff print on the front. It has Cudi Saves with the sky, with the blue and the white clouds. And then on the back, it says Baptized in Fire, Miami, Florida, 2019, Sunday, May 12th, Kid Cudi live. So whenever this went live, whenever you could buy this stuff, I went ahead and grabbed it. Of course, I was not there, was not able to see him live, but luckily enough, they offered this stuff online, and it did take a little while to get here, but that's because it was a pre-order on the site. And Cudi being the type of artist that he is and the type of stuff that he touched on and talked about in his music, you already know what Cudi Saves means. Now, I also have the Swim in the Light hoodie right here, and it's all over blue. Once again, heavy, heavy printing on the front, on the graphic. Swim in the Light is kind of that puff print once again. Pieces of this front graphic are the puff print, like this orange moon, and the printing is just so heavy. It's almost hard to explain how heavy this hoodie and the printing is, and it definitely makes it feel way more worth it. Now, there is no drawstring on this hoodie, and I don't have any on body just because it has been 95 degrees in Vibe Beach, and going out in a 95-degree weather with this bad boy on, bruh, y'all trying to have this joint drowning in sweat outside, so I went ahead and passed up on that. But you have Kid Cudi in the back and all over gray. It has that old school Kid Cudi font, Man on the Moon type stuff, and this has the same dates on the back. Once again, I feel like it was Rolling Loud. I think that's Miami. It was Rolling Loud down there. And then this is the same thing. This is just a crew neck in an all over teal colorway. You can kind of see some of those colors a little bit better on this one as well. I forgot to mention too, on the sleeves, it does say Surfing on My Own Wave, and that is over here once again in that 3D print on the sides. Y'all see the back as well, the same thing as the hoodie. I waited a very long time to get this up, but I am happy that it's finally here. Kid Cudi CPFM. Y'all know that's an easy cop for me. I just wish I wasn't being an idiot and missed out on the yellow hoodie, because I really like the yellow hoodie. And they also had the Cudi Saves hoodie as well in the beginning. I'm not too pressed on that because I got the tee, but that yellow joint, I'm slick kind of pressed, but I'm pretty sure eventually I'll be able to grab it. So now that we have all of that out of the way, all the clothes out of the way, we have 2 more quick pickups, and these were gifts from Footlocker and Adidas. Now this one came from Footlocker. I don't know who at Footlocker has my address, has my contact info, but yo, appreciate you, salutes, thank you. Maybe next time just send me a quick email to let me know, because I was like, who at Footlocker has my contact info? But this one did come from Footlocker. This is actually an early pickup as well, and this is the Air Max 270 React. So as you guys can see, it did come with a little note, and this is the Bauhaus or Bauhaus, I believe it's Bauhaus colorway of this sneaker. And the funny thing is that we actually covered this shoe a little bit on a heater height. We talked about it, and now I actually get a chance to try it out for myself to see how the 270 plus that React feel. As far as like first impressions of this sneaker, I will say they use a lot of synthetics on the upper. Some of the pairs actually have like that see-through translucent upper, some don't. This one doesn't actually have it, and really I don't see how these couldn't be comfortable. We mix and React with the actual Air Max bubble in the back. I feel like you're gonna have that bounce as well as that comfort right here up in the front of your foot. So Bauhaus Air Max 270 React, 270 React joints. Once again, shouts out to whoever at Footlocker sent these bad boys over. And yeah, if you get a chance, just email me, say what's up so I know who you are.
I woke up right there on Mars.
Mixing the lean with the purse, sipping on lead to a burp. Venus Arena I serve, finger for Nina a perv. I went to Mars on bars, I've been to hell and back. Supercharge my dodge, no hit me, I held my cap. Zenny and lean, I'm dozing off. Since the G's, it got me lost. Mixing codeine with alcohol, popping the beans with Adderall.
And now definitely last up but not least up at all, finally, your boy got a package in from Adidas. They actually contacted me via IG, said what's good, and just was like, yo, we're gonna send you something over. Lo and behold, it was a pair of Human Race NMDs, which was a shoe that actually took me a very long time to get my very first pair of, but on the inside of here, they did include a little note, and I believe this is one of the older solar hue colorways, but in person, these ones are crazy. You got pink, black, blue, white, yellow. It's a lot is going on with this pair of NMDs right here. And as you can see, this pair does say Motherland on the top. So once again, man, a shouts out to whoever Adidas recognized the boy. I appreciate you for sending these over, something quick, nice and easy for the summer. Very loud and out there, but I definitely do appreciate it. And with that being said, man, that is it. Those are all the pickups: clothing, vintage, coffee makers, Kid Cudi, Cactus Plant Flea Market, sample sale July 4th. Remember that, all that, we are now done. So listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Much love to all the fan followers and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bold.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, blah, blah. Of course, hold on, Pack came in the mail. Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. I really hope you guys enjoy. That is it. It is now time to edit this bad boy. If you made it all the way through the video, make sure to drop a like on this bit. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Get my drugs from the fifth.
My money long, my team is strong. I had to get rid of some of the problems. I never think like that shit about the dollar. Look at your chain, your jewelry look childish. Look at my neck and it's straight out the fountain.